In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping address on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type so your orders arrive at the right place without delays. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. Click the official result to go to the Alibaba homepage. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged in. If you already have an account, use your usual sign-in method so your address can be saved to your profile for future orders. Once you're on the site and signed in, look toward the top of the page for the Deliver to label in the header. Click that. This opens the address area where you manage your shipping details. On that panel or page, select Add Address. This brings up the form where you'll enter your shipping information. Begin by choosing your country or region. This matters because it controls the address format, available provinces or states, and the postal code rules, so pick the one that matches where you want items delivered. Next, enter the recipient's full name. Use the real name couriers will see on the package. It helps with smooth delivery and verification if a signature is required. You'll then see a field for a number related to the address. Follow the on-screen label here. In many regions, this is your contact phone number used by couriers for delivery updates. If your form presents it as part of the street details, enter the appropriate house, building, or unit number exactly as your postal service expects. Keep the format simple and avoid special characters that local systems may not recognize. Select or type your state or province. If there's a drop-down, choose from the list to reduce typos. If it's a free text field, spell it the way your local postal authority prefers. After that, enter your city. Again, consistency with your local postal spelling helps carriers route packages correctly. Enter your postal or zip code. Double check this carefully, as it's one of the most common causes of misrouted shipments. If you're unsure, confirm it with your local postal website or a recent utility bill that shows your correct code. When everything looks accurate, click Submit. You should now see the new address in your address list, and it will be available when you check out. If you frequently ship to this location, keep it handy and review it before placing orders to avoid typos. That's it. You've added a shipping address on Alibaba. Thanks for watching and happy sourcing.